So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy silver or how to invest in silver here on Wealthsimple Trade. And if you guys are new to Wealthsimple, I'll go ahead here and show you guys my referral link. So if you go ahead and sign up using this referral link, the link will also be down below. You guys get a little bit of money. I get a little bit of money for signing up. Plus you actually enter a chance to win a home. With this current promotion here, so that's kind of neat. But go to the bottom here, press on the search icon, then in the search bar at the top, I want you to go ahead and type in ticker symbol SVR and go ahead and press on that. So once you guys are on this one right here, this actually is a silver ETF. So if you want to invest in silver, physical silver, you kind of have to go this direction with an ETF. Go to the bottom left, select your account. I can go FHSA, TFSA non-registered. I'll just go ahead and press non-registered for this example. Then go to the bottom right and press on buy. If you guys want to just invest in shares, so for example, one share in this case is $22. If you want to do fractional shares, you can go ahead and do that as well. Whatever the case may be, I'll do $5 as an example and then press on review. Then you guys can review the transaction, go to the bottom, press on buy or press on Q, and that'll process the order of your silver purchase. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy silver or invest in silver here in Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.